Today you guys are going to be filling in the table of contents. You need to go through each section and think about the main topic to put it in each part of the table of contents. I'm going to read the book to you to remind you of what it was about, but then go back in and add those main topics. A female monarch butterfly floats in the air. She is looking for a special plant. At last, she finds a milkweed plant and lays her eggs. Caterpillars hatch from the eggs in about a week. These little critters eat their way out of the egg using their strong jaws. Hungry caterpillars eat milkweed leaves. They eat until their skin gets too tight. Pop! They molt or shed their old skins. Underneath is a new, larger skin. A caterpillar sheds its skin 4 or 5 times. The caterpillar hangs upside down from a leaf. It sheds its skin 1 more time. The new layer is called a pupa or chrysalis. The pupa hardens as it dries. Inside the pupa, a caterpillar's body changes. After about 2 weeks, the pupa cracks open. A butterfly pulls itself out of the pupa. Its body is wet and folded. Its wings slowly open and dry in the sun. All summer the monarch flies from flower to flower. It unrolls its long tongue to eat. The monarch sucks nectar from the flowers. Yum! Days get shorter, the weather gets cooler. Monarch butterflies know it is time for the long flight south. They rest in trees along the way. In spring, the sun warms the butterflies. Most fly north. Butterflies mate and the females lay eggs. Caterpillars hatch and molt. And from a pupa comes a beautiful butterfly. This section over here reminds me of stuff that we have been learning in science. It looks like a life cycle. Now, just like I said that the first main topic of section 1 was butterfly eggs, think about what comes next in the butterfly's life cycle to figure out the other sections. I'm going to put in here butterfly eggs for you to figure out the rest.